In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple records in Airtable with one input form. By the end, you'll have a clean setup where a single submission can connect to and help generate multiple entries in another table, which is great for things like assigning several tasks to one project or linking many products to a single order. First, open Airtable in your browser and sign in. Head to the base where you want to collect responses. Make sure you're in the specific table that will receive the form submissions, since that's where we'll add a new field. Next, open the base and select the table you'll be working in. If you have several tables, pick the one that represents the main item in your workflow, like projects, orders, or events. Inside that table, look for the plus icon at the far right of your columns. Click it to add a new field. We're creating a field that will connect this table to another one, which is the key to enabling multiple related records from a single form response. When the field type panel appears, go to Standard Fields. This is the section with the common, reliable field types you'll use most often. Choose Link to another record. This field type creates a relationship to a different table, allowing one submission to connect to many related items. It's the backbone of building many-to-one or one-to-many structures in Airtable, and it's what lets your form handle multiple records in a single go. You'll be prompted to choose the table you want to link to. Pick the table that will hold the multiple items you want to create or associate, such as tasks, line items, or sessions. Take a second to confirm you're linking in the right direction, from the table that receives the form to the table that holds the many related records. Click Create to add the field. Give it a clear, action-oriented name so form respondents and teammates immediately understand what it's for. Now, locate this new linked record field in your list of fields. If your table has many columns, use search or scroll to find it quickly. Finally, add this field to your form so people can use it. In the form setup, include the linked record field you just created. This is what allows a single form submission to select and connect multiple related records, streamlining your data entry and keeping everything organized. Save your changes, preview the form to verify the experience, and you're ready to go.